There are two methods to mount the cushions. Method 1. Self-tapping screws with washers, perfect for pallets and wooden cases. Insert the washer and self-drilling screw into the cushion. It is recommended to use thicker and longer self-drilling screws to enhance stability. Then, screw the cushion directly onto the bottom. Arrange the cushions evenly at the bottom and screw them tightly. The cushions efficiently minimize shock, delivering a powerful buffering effect during transit. Method 2. Machine screws with nuts. Perfect for pallets or unassembled wooden cases. First, drill a hole through the wooden board at the mounting position. Then, thread the machine screw into the cushion's nut. Next, put the spacer over the cushion and fix them to the board together. We offer 5 distinct cushion models based on the buffer effect and weight capacity you need. Combine with our shock and tilt indicators to minimize transit damage.